since December 19, 2017, 2 ans of Congolese national have fled to Uganda from tribal fighting between the Landu-en-Bas-Gerin Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Serjournet to seek refuge in Western Uganda have been challenging. Some are arriving in Hoima, Kagadi, Kibale, Antoroko, Kazan-Kizoro district. Otter access Uganda through West Nile. Most of the refugees are Hoima, Bajor, Kebu, Landu or Allure, especially flying from Kiomia, Choma, Kazanyi, Jo, Bulambira, Nyamwamba, Varamo in Tituri province of DRC. Tired, Ingri Envorier, the Congolese refugees are arriving with several concernant certainty. Some have arrived wounded while several children are unaccompagned, employee of United Nations have told Saturday Monitor. There are also various reports of Congolese WHO are stranded in their volatile homeland on the risk banky because they don't have money to pay transport cost for canoe to jet them across to Uganda, witness say. Matezon Jabu, a transporté, c'est charges HS 20,000 per personne bring from the RC to Uganda. Some people don't have the money. They instead give Mugat, matrescent au belonging which is la landing sitter, in Uganda, Monsieur Njabu, WHO make to trip across Lake Albert on a des basis, c'est. The furrour cano read across Lake Albert risky, c'est. The Firta Fighting Group Mahon de attack him, but y enduring te risque du tout financial return ni currently enjoying. Turbulent water of Lake Albert are not risk. For refugee WHO Verseling on a wooden cano across the lake when serbat capsized der Livruari, said Monsieur Julius Akizak, Albertine Regional Police spokesperson. Tevre Burier in Kiangwali refugee cet Clement. Los. Despite te varm reception te receive in Uganda, te flin Congol se har cointing, los. Sarah Kabajanyi, 36 a reçu of Gobu village, Ituri district. Eastern DRC, while citant à Bouflin et Rome, hoping at fighting would stop soon. On a morning, he saw a group of Landu fighter attacking your village attack you have take a macross. He didn't use meet wo children, at 2-year-old dans a 5-year-old, vrki, Kadajan y say. He remained with only on shield. Bit team of attack, chese rusban. WHO trading fish at Uganda DRC boardé, away from home. I have come with Michil, avec lot en toi gat. I don't know the fat of me husband, Kadajan y say. Tatak. Diego Najabu, 38, a reçu of Gobu village WHO a witness d'attaque suspect at Landu Artargeting Servelt. Te bajeur, have a lot of livestock which te Landu don have. Also have many business. I think they want to displace us so ta tête à Cove Urland en Welt, c'est un job, a fisherman en fate of 6. Come with 5 children but could no a coup fort to herbu often. I don't know what I did or alive, c'est un job, a chara biscuit with I children. Bebakaba, 42, a reçu of Kiomia village believe fighting between te bajegerant l'enduit over te control of fertile land en mineral. Et tribe want to dominate tarea en land en mineral, c'est kaba, WHOC à l'host to son aged vivant et in te fighting. Te fate of et, WHOC used to un commuté taxi en farin, c'est managed to rescue yet children. Te vast eastern part of the RCI en doed with, amont haute et mineral, gold, diamant, copper, coltan, aluminum, which are really sold for all over the world. Te varlor, rebelle, militia group en tribal gang control que mineral citant et benefit from mineral revenue at expense of their country. Te fertile soil, gentle hill, thick natural végétation en treasured wildlife in eastern DRC have no been effectively taped to transform the lives of the Congolese. On te contrarie, te vaste natural welt precipitate conflict ta avovet year let million dead, displaced, rapid or maimed. Rosine Mave, 18, escaped from fighting in Kiomia village when she was pregnant. Je arrived das Bagoro Landing City Noama District a Naito slept in the cold winter 25 dus ban. Je développed Labour peint en local lifted on ser shoulder tous Bagoro Health Centri o delivered. Have namet baby merci, a French nam wish thank you, sem have who thankful to God for giving her life with her baby ami de sta turbulent varine Romaria. Upon arriva la vario landing site of Keizo, ce Bagoro, Nakondo, San Jojo, Bugoma en Kitebor, te refugie Argiven refuge Big Overin Mof Uganda in Kiangwali refugie Camp. Te raralso Oter who Artaken tu Kakai refugie Set Clement in Kyojegwa district. Te allocated land for Set Clement en cultivation. Ainsi de te refugie Set Clement I en overwhelmingnement for safe drinking water, medicine, food, clothing en haute necessity. Tank Humanity, en international humanitarian go a constructed borehole to provide safe drinking water to te refugie en communici sur Undin Kiangwali refugie camp. United Nation Agency Sucha United Nation IG Commission for Refugee, UNCR, World Food Programme, WFP, en UNICEF are providing water, food, household essential en sanitation facilici tout refugie. Kiangwali refugie camp host tous en off refugie WHO struggle to access safe water. Teval long distance to access to water teneib. Wilson ma boilt water, many thirsty and knowing children en a du simply drink the water directly from open vent, which often reçu un todise sucha cholera, typhoid en vorm parasite. The good news it have changing to be providing well in area o water in needed most, c'est Betekel, Executive Director for Tank Humanity, which provides education, health and service to refugee students in Kiangwali en Kakai refugee Set Clement camp. Exposure to these. The poor sanitary facility en hygiene practice have triggered a cholera epidemic in Kiangwali en Kakai refugee camp, putting at already poor living condition of the refugee at risk. Investigation conducted by the Ministry of Health confirmed that the refugee WHO are fleeing from the RC contracted cholera in their place of origin en allant to Uganda, Dr Charles Laro, in a Director General of Health Service press statement, c'est. The government set up cholera treatment centre in Kiangwali en Kaka refugee Set Clement en screening of refugee à entry point for early detection of cholera underway, Dr Laro said. Promotion of hygiene, sanitation en use of safe water y also ongoing, busom refugee do no implement health safety measure du tout failure to understand message. Many refugee understand it ser native language ruge langage. Government official have resolved to hear translator to be able to communicate effectively with the refugee. AVI Cago. The cumulative number of admission of refugees suffering from cholera stood at 12,000 in Kiangwali refugee camp, said Jolie Kebirongi, the camp commandant. Mort en 31,420 individuals have arrived in Noama district since December 19, 2017, said MS Jolie Kebirongi, the commandant of Kiangwali refugee reset Clement camp. Security alert. Monsieur John Stephen Ekum, the Reside District Commissioner for Wama District WHO Shared District Security Committee, cette district doit y best to screen the refugee for these, en route suspected combattant WHO ma wish to take advantage of instability in Congo to infiltrate local community Uganda. The refugee have told Ugandan security official ta armed with ugn, majtanspr. The fighter in DRC are torching serous, car, slaughtering domestic animal and killing people. Some armed UP officer were cited at Lake Albert Shoreline keeping close watch of arriving refugee. Way forward. To prevent conflict, will addressing un security coincident prevention of conflict in Africa on April 15, 2013, un secretary general Ban Ki-moon said, we must strengthen democracy. Bill Stronger, more hostile, accountable state institution, ensure adequate check and balance, promote the rule of law and work to establish effective democratic control over armed force. Such intervention arsti relevant interaging conflict in DRC en part of the world. Business opportunity for Otter. Likenjabu, WHO is taking advantage of the situation to make money by charging for transport via Kano, a fait Otter are following suite. The refugee arrive in Uganda with chicken on livestock, which they sell to Ugandan businessmen to have flooded shore of Lake Albert. For a guy buy from them, he get a profit of between HS 20,000 to SHS 40,000, c'est Julien Yakato, a resid of Sbagoro Landing City Noama District. OT business have sprouted to exchange DRC currency into Uganda shilling. For a 1 million of 1000 francs take over into Uganda shilling, he get a profit of SHS 200,000. Mi business is booming, Semri Sajaro, a businessman at Nyawega landing site WHO a found exchanging money for the refugee had arrived at shoreline.